Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use iPhone coming from Android. Switching from Android to an iPhone can feel different at first, but Apple provides tools that make the transition much easier. Once you learn the basic gestures, settings, and apps, using an iPhone becomes simple and intuitive. With a little setup and practice, you can quickly move your data and start enjoying your new device comfortably. To begin, turn on your new iPhone and follow the setup instructions on the screen. Then connect to the Wi Fi or stable network during the setup. Use the Move to iOS app on your Android phone to transfer data and transfer your contacts, photos, messages, and videos to the iPhone. Sign in with or create an Apple ID to access Apple services. Learn the basic iPhone gestures such as swiping up to go home. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then swipe down from the middle of the screen to use the spotlight search. Open the App Store to download apps instead of using Google Play. Customize notifications and privacy settings in the Settings app. Then set up Face ID or Touch ID for security and faster unlocking. Use iCloud to back up your photos, files, and important information. Explore built in Apple apps like Messages, Safari, and Photos. Practice using the iPhone daily to become more comfortable with the Apple interface and features. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.